Hi. Hi. Hello guys, what's up to my video? And please subscribe, please, and like. And somebody give me a treatment or candy, candy, candy. I want to AFK. Um, somebody, somebody give me a treadmill candy, please. I'm so I don't have a treat. I have to look it. Look, I, I'm not cheater. I'm not cheater. I'm not cheater. Look, look, I'm not cheater. I don't have a Robux and somebody give me a Robux. Yeah, I'm lying. Yeah, I have a I'm so very for the fuck. I want to revert in level 60. I'm like careful. No, you did it. Thank you. I'm gonna shoot her. Thank you. Be careful. Oh, I'm lying. Hello. The what the freaking boy? Wait, boys spend boys spend. I hope I'm not. Oh hell no, brother. Hmm. Oh, this rainbow. Look it up. Oh, look it up. Look at who's more speed. Mm, Colin Firth, Arisa 014, AA Bat Down, Pooh Demon. Oh hell no. This is me. Hey yo. This way, bro. I hope. Bro, I don't speak English. I'm Japan. I'm United States and Philippines and Japan. That's my flag. Eh, Philippines version. Yay! Diba ko yun? Diba? Aklanon in Philippines. I hate this game, bro. I hate this game. Not. Mm. Mm. Ooh, what the fuck? Thank you, admin. Thank you, admin, for that. I hope I hope you. I want AFK. I'm sorry. I need the AFK. By the way, this is my video. I can subscribe for my video. Bye bye. Bye guys. I love you.